Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save or export a video in CapCut on your PC. CapCut is a popular video editing app, and after you've spent time editing your video, you'll want to save it to your computer so you can share or upload it. First, open CapCut on your PC and load the video project you've been working on. Once your project is open and you're happy with the final edits, the next step is to save it. Look towards the top right corner of the screen and you'll see an Export button. Click on it. This will open up the export settings where you can adjust the quality of your video before saving it. In the export settings, you'll be able to choose different options such as resolution, frame rate, and format. Let's go over these options briefly. For the resolution, you'll see options like 720p, 1080p, and even higher. If you want better quality, choose 1080p or higher, but keep in mind that higher resolution also means a larger file size. If you're trying to save storage space, you may want to go with 720p or a lower resolution. Next, you can adjust the frame rate. The frame rate determines how smooth your video will look. If your video is just a standard edit, 30 frames per second, FPS, should be enough. But if your video contains a lot of motion, you might want to select 60 fps for smoother playback. Now, choose the video format. By default, CapCut will save your video in MP4 format, which is widely supported on most platforms, so it's a good option to stick with unless you have a specific need for another format. After you've adjusted all the export settings, take a look at the estimated file size at the bottom. If the file size is too large and you don't have enough space on your PC, you can lower the resolution or bitrate to make it smaller. Once you're happy with your settings, click the Export button again. CapCut will now start saving your video. Depending on the size of your project and the settings you chose, this process might take a few minutes. When the export is complete, CapCut will show a message confirming that your video has been saved. You can now go to the folder where you saved the video on your PC. If you didn't specify a folder earlier, CapCut will save it to the default location, which is usually the Videos folder. And that's it. You've successfully saved your video from CapCut on your PC, and it's now ready to be shared, uploaded, or used however you like. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this. Thanks for watching.